So another type or basic form of data are integers. Integers represent numbers, and there's a specific type of number that integers represent. So you might have heard in math or referred to them as whole numbers. So these are numbers that do not have a fractional part. In math, they're called natural numbers, which are the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. And whole numbers include these counting numbers and 0. And then integers covering this whole group, including those two subsections, are 0, the positive natural numbers, and the corresponding negative values. So 42 is an integer. Another integer can be -2, and another integer could be as big as 100. Other ways that numbers are represented are floating point numbers. Floating point numbers represent those numbers that aren't just whole numbers, so they have fractions. Types of fractions can be rational numbers, so they're ratios of numbers, and irrational numbers, which are non-terminating, non-repeating rational numbers. So 3.14 is a representation of pi, which is an irrational number, and the values after the decimal place keep going. So this is a floating point number that covers all of those types. And you can also represent floating point number, represent an integer in floating point number form, so number 2.0. But because it has the decimal place, it is a floating point number.